Slice it, glue it.
Hello friends, today I am going to share with you all a very tasty recipe called Payaru Urundai.
Let's slice it.
To get started, let's prepare our jaggery powder. Let's grate the jaggery well without any little chunks. Jaggery is ready now. Next, let's start to prepare our green moong dal. Today I have taken half cup of moong dal. Let's salt it well until it turns aromatic. Moong dal has salted well. Now let's add enough water. Cover and cook for a few minutes. I have cooked the moong dal for 10 minutes. Now let's check whether it is done or not. I'm trying to smash the dal, but it is not. Let's cook it for another 10 more minutes. Our dal is cooked well. Now strain the water and transfer to the mixer jar. I measured the cooked dal about 1.5 cup. Now first powder the dal, then add the jaggery gradually. Dal has powdered well. Now let's add the jaggery. The cooked dal and jaggery should be in equal quantity. Our dal and jaggery mixture is ready now. Let's make a small ball like this. Now let's prepare the batter. Today I have taken half cup of maida. Add little turmeric and a pinch of salt. Add water gradually and mix it without lumps. The batter should be in a flowing consistency. Now dip the balls in it and deep fry in hot oil. Our moong dal balls are ready now. Let's serve it. Our Payaru Urundai came out very soft and so tasty. I'm so happy to share this recipe with you all. I meet you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's slice it again. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe our channel. Bye.